now I move to the next topic, and I really like to talk about this because a lot of people, when they rent a home, they don't even think about it. Okay, let's make some very conservative number here, because I know one a 3-bedroom, 2-bath now costs you $3,500 a month, but I put only $2,900 here to be very conservative. Okay, so if I rent a home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath for my family today, for the first year I paid $35,000. Okay, second year, because the rent increased 3.1% annually, so each year, guess what I did to myself? I throw my money away. Here you go. Here you go. Bye-bye money. Bye-bye money. And look, after 8 years, I buy so much money. Look how much I throw away. More than $300,000. And if I start here at $3,500, I would throw away more than $400,000. Trust me, people don't even realize they've thrown away money. So much money. I'm just talking about the rent. I haven't talked about tax benefit yet. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Because I talked to a lot of homeowners in Sunnyvale, and so for someone who bought a home in Sunnyvale for $100,000 in 1990, now it's over 1.6 million. Imagine you live in a home, 30 years later, you have this much money. So do you care about the interest rate, how much you pay a month? Do you care about the interest rate? It's gonna go up 5%, 6%, or 7%. Let's talk about interest rate. My first home I bought in 2001, that's when after I got married. My 30-year fixed rate was 7%, and my husband and I, we were engineering, and then we have good job, we have good credit score, but our rate is 7% for 30-year fixed. We are happy because we bought our home. So a lot of people are thinking, oh, the interest rate going up, should we not buying it? Why not? Who cares? Look, you gain so much that the interest rate, the interest you pay doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So at any point you want to buy a mortgage or buy a home, go for it. So this is, we talk about Sunnyvale, and we'll talk about San Jose. Okay? So same thing. This is for like 10, because 10 years later, the home value of 1.3 to increase to 1.7 because of the location. So when we talk about property, real estate property, we talk about location. So you want to talk to one of the real estate brokers or one of the real estate agent here at Pacificwide. They can advise you where is the best location for you to invest. Okay? Because the same amount of money, but this will be like a lot more money than this. So do talk to someone that know what they're doing. So believe me, all of our brokers and agents, they are so experienced. They know exactly what they're doing. So please get one of them. Okay? And now I will talk about tax benefit, but I'm gonna let my CEO talk about tax benefit because this is very important. We haven't talked about tax benefit yet.